Hello dear students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are going to learn or revise rules for using definite article the. In the earlier video, we took information about indefinite articles a and an. Let's study when to use article, that is definite article the, and its omission in certain cases. We use the before names of holy books. For example, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Vedas. We use article the before names of rivers, oceans, mountains, deserts, etc. For example, the Sahara Desert, the Persian Gulf, the Arabian Sea, the Himalaya, the Ganges, etc. We use definite article the before singular nouns referring to things of which only one exists. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Jupiter, the Saturn. We use definite article the before names of ships, trains, names of mountains such as the Deccan Queen, the Kolhapur Express, the Titanic, the Taj Mahal, the Gateway of India, etc. We use definite article the before names of musical instrument. For example, the harp, the organ, the guitar, the piano, the saxophone. Then we use article the before names of directions. For example, the north, the east, the south, the west. We use definite article the before names of institute, workshop, factory, bank, etc. For example, the Real Academy, the Technocraft, the State Bank of India, the Delhi Cloth Mill. Then we use definite article the before names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Sakal, the Indian Express, the Telegraph. Then we use definite article the before ordinal numbers. The third line, the second boy, the 10th January, the fifth column, the seventh generation, etc. We use definite article the before the names of important events such as the Industrial Revolution, the Great Depression, the Great War, the Renaissance, etc. A national name with a plural notion to show the people collectively. For example, the French, the Indians, the German, the Americans, the Canadians. We use articles in various cases, but never use article the before name of country which is composed of never use article the before name of country except it is composed of states. For example, the US, the UK, the USSR, then the UAE. We use definite article the before the names of political party or organization. For example, the Congress, the World Health Organization, the Lok Dal, the BJP. Then we use definite article the before name of thing or object referred as unique or as an example. For example, the gold mined in India is of poor quality. They were grateful for the bread we gave them, and the book you want is out of print. Then we use article the before singular common noun to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is useful animal, the dog is an honest animal, etc. Then we have an exception. We never use article the before men and women. These are common nouns. For example, man is mortal. Then we use definite article the before names of highest designation or before historical events. For example, the Battle of Panipat, the Prime Minister of India. Then we use definite article the before superlative degree adjectives. For example, Kalidas is the biggest, the longest, the most difficult, etc. And we use article the whenever a name which is a special name is used as common noun. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, Kashmir is Switzerland of Asia. Then after words like all and both, for example, all the boys were making noise, the whole class was absent, then we use definite article the before words like whole and some. Then whenever we speak of a particular person or thing about which we have already spoken, for example, I met a gardener, the gardener was sleeping in the garden, and I saw a little girl, the girl was crying loudly. Or we use article the before name of journal, for example, the Indian Journal. Never use article whenever it is used as common in the common sense. For example, gold is a precious metal, then bread is made from flour, lead is very heavy metal. Whenever in our daily life we use or we want to refer some ordinary things, never use the there. For example, breakfast should be taken at 8 am. When do you have your dinner? Or the dinner will be given at the Taj Mahal Hotel. If it is used as a special dinner or a particular time referred to. Whenever we have nouns in plurals at that time, we never use the. For example, we showed apples, books are our best friends, but whenever it is used with a specific reference, at that time we use the there. For example, the books on criticism are not available. Thus, today, in brief, we learned, we revised when to use definite article the. Now we will meet in the next video with new information. Thank you.